Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. Today we are going to change default text into custom text in checkout page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So by using custom code, you will change mostly text in checkout page but not all. So we are in checkout page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are using if condition, and we are going to change default text subtotal to custom text subtotal price. Then scroll down, you see insert method auto install location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page, and now you see subtotal. Refresh the page, and then you see title change subtotal price. Back to code, and if you want to change more text you can copy if condition and paste. Now we are going to change another text product, and then we are going to add our product, and then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.